In addition to the aforementioned 1024 levels of pressure sensitivity, the new and included Surface Pen is redesigned to feel more like a pencil. The stylus now has one flat side, as if a number 2 pencil had all but 2 of its angles rounded off. This version is even more comfortable to hold than the last. As a result, your index finger rests just above the main function button on the flat end. Secondly, the left side of the frame is coated with thin, powerful strip magnets that allow it to cling onto the tablet's left side. The age of stylus loops is over. Microsoft Surface Pro 4 Review. The pen also sports a new, function eraser button up top that does what it says on the tin, but has 3 more functions. In addition to opening OneNote with a single press, the button now takes a screenshot and then opens OneNote with a double press. Finally, a long press summons Cortana to help you out. Microsoft seems to have expertly weighted a Surface Pen to make it feel not much heavier than your average clickable pen, despite all of the tech inside. Plus, now Microsoft offers additional pen tips right out of the box. Coupled with Microsoft's Pixel Sense display, the duo makes for the best stylus experience we've had on a tablet yet for as little as we want to use it. While we're neither artists nor designers, the screen's superb palm detection and the accuracy and nuance of the pen tracking give us confidence that the Surface Pro 4 is Microsoft's best shot at luring in that crowd yet. These improvements pale in comparison with Microsoft's new and still not included type cover. This time around, Microsoft took a chiclet-style approach. This makes keeping track of which keys your fingers are on by feel much easier, and it allows for each key to be individually backlit.